Feel ko bagay sa akin yung ganito. Try ko lang mag-puyat. Ang bigat na niya. Ito yung lagayan ko ng makeup. So, ito nga pala yung lagayan ko ng makeup. Gamit, sobrang dami ko ng gamit. Ever since nagpunta ako dito, so tayo ako gagastos para sa sarili ko. So, yeah. Okay, meron ako dito. So, bagong bili lang to, which is the Pia one. Eyebrow pencil. Kasi, ang ginagamit ko kasi na pencil is eyebrow pencil. Ano ba? Ilalagay ko ba yung phone ko dito? So, nalipat ko yung phone ko dito. Akala ko kasi pag nalipat ko yung phone ko, makikita niya yung table. Hindi din pala. Sorry kasi maliit yung space kasi nandito na yung sa likod niya nandun yung Durabox. And then, ito dito. Kasi ito, in-order to ni ate. So, dalawa na kasing kwarto dito sa bahay. And ito, is in-order ng ate ko na ate din ng ate ko na nandito. Kaya na kami intindi. And, medyo ano kasi yun sa gamit. Kung ano yung nasa kwarto niya, yun lang yung allowed niya dun. So, ito kasi sobrang laki. So, ayaw na. Kasi may ma-occupied yung space. So, dito na lang nilagay. So, hinayaan ko na lang. That's why, so, pag-checkaan nyo na lang. So, pakita ko naman sa inyo bawat gamit. Ipapakita ko. Tignan nyo. This one. Ito yung gamit ko na lashes. Kasi bala ko na din talaga dati magkaroon ng lashes yung permanent. Yung naglalagay ko. Pero, syempre, ganun. And, medyo risky. And then, ayun, may mga brushes. Pero bala ko din kasi magkaroon ng brushes. Yung mga left din ako ng mga brush. Kasi ito lang yung brush ko. Tingnan nyo. This is from Watson's Spa. And bigay din yung iba. Ito yung ginagamit ko for base and everything. Halos ito yung gamit na gamit ko. So, this is from ate. And my first ever brush. I got this one from TikTok. Kasi nga, I thought this is good. Hindi ko napansin na may crack pala siya. May ano to, may taklob. Tapos, crack na siya. Diba? Hindi ko na na-refund. Okay lang. So, ganyan siya. So, tapos tatakpan mo, ganun. And then, sa ilalim niya, meron siyang charan! This one. Actually, tatlo to eh. And then, meron ako nanditan this one. So, ito ginagamit ko siya sa dito, eyeshadow, and for concealer, sa mga ganun. And, yeah. This one. Ito naman is sa kilay. Pag maglagay ka ng eyebrow pencil ka na, tapos igagawin mo siya dito. Then, ito for eyebrow. Kasama siya no? So, itong ulo ko ha. Sobrang light. Sobrang liwanag kasi. This one. This one's for the kilay. Pero, hindi ko man talaga nagagamit lately. Kasi, ano kasi ito, parang pag natuyo siya, parang siyang gel. So, titigas yung ganito mo. And then, color brown siya. And then, ayan. Medyo matagal siya. So, ang gamit ko na lang lately is ito, sa kilay ko. Which is, neto ko lang na-realize na this is from L'Oreal. L'Oreal. I don't know how to pronounce it. Kasi maganda to. It's a gift from someone. Yeah. Meron siyang pang brush. And then, at the same time, meron siyang this one. Parang magkakalat siya dun sa pencil. Ito yung pencil niya. Yeah. Diba? This one is nabili ko lang sa Watson's. And then, na-amaze ako. Kaso, nilagayan siya ng powder. Ayaw kasi makaamoy ng mga ganun. This one is Tender Juicy. Tender Care. Mga pala kauna-unahan ko lashes na hindi ko naman nagamit. Ginupit ko pa siya kasi akala ko hindi siya isang buo nilalagay kasi akala ko hindi siya kasya dito. Which is, feeling ko hindi talaga siya kasya. Pero, feeling ko mali lang ako kasi first time ko. So, I'm sorry pero grabe yung price nito guys. Ito yung ginagamit kong powder ngayon. Which is Pond's. So, maganda. Na-discover ko to for my classmate. Ano na nabanggit ko na ito dati. Pero na-discover ko to ng Baguio trip namin nung first year ko sa college. Nakita ko sa classmate ko. So, ginagamit ito. And then, I borrowed it. Nanghingi pala ako. Hindi ko pala na. Nanghingi ako. And then, trinay ko. Medyo may glittery effect siya. Kaya maganda siya. This is my first ever eyeshadow palette. This from mall. I don't know. Green up ko lang ito. Mga siguro 12, 13 years old ako lang. 14. I don't know. Kasama ko yung pinsan ko. And then, ginagamit ko siya up until this year. And then, nalaman ko na expired na pala siya. Naman siyang side effects, I guess. Pero, tinanggil ko na lang. Pero ang ganda niya kasi ngayon ko lang na-realize, ngayon ko lang din nalaman kung kailan expired na siya na nandito pala yung camera. Ito pala yung blush. This is for contour and then the other one are for eyeshadow. Boxes. These are the boxes. Kinukulit ko din kasi mga boxes like from O2 Room. Ang laman niya is this one. Ito yung laman niya. Okay? Maganda siya kasi nadala din ako sa packaging. And look. So, yan yung laman niya. Also, yeah, the boxes. This one from Detail. Yup. Detail. This is my first ever Detail product, which is a glass stain, and ubos na siya, I guess. Yeah, ginagamit ko siya pang blush kasi I don't like it when nilalagay sa lips ko kasi I prefer na lang the pencil, the lip liner, and then lip liner plus lip serum combo. That's it, what I'm using. So, meron siyang lima na shades, which is I like. Ayoko nang basahin, nahihirap basahin ng iba. Pero, I really like this kasi medyo nude. May mga choices siya kung nude or light, pero I prefer nude. Ata. Okay, also this one. This is from my Berbalena, but this one is given to me by my ate, and yeah. But I just don't like it a bit. Or maybe, yeah. Kasi makalat siya, guys. I don't like the amoy dun. Makalat siya. Parang nagiging panda ka na lang. One, nalimot ko lang to sa bahay, so nadala ko na din ata. For your eyebrow, so I like this, pero I don't know how to use this, and especially this is black, and kasi madalas kong ginagamit is brown na shades, and hindi ko pa siya matansya, ba't hirap yung buksan? Mali ata. I don't know, ba't ayaw niyo bukas. So yeah, this is. Look, meron siyang mga tip, pero I really don't know how to use this one. Hindi na siya bashable. Also, I got this one. This is a lip. What's this? I don't know what kind of lip thing is this. Pero ang bango niya. I really like the amoy of this. Pero I have it. Ang bango, babe. It's like a berry one. I don't know the inspiration. It's so bango, and I haven't used this for so long. And this is from Maybelline. I got this from Watsons. Siyempre, sinasabi sa inyo po mga Watsons, galing yung mga product na nabibili ko, madalang ko silang magamit. Okay? Kasi, parang takaw tingin lang ako, ganun. And also, this one is my, On The Go. Why I kept buying this is because of the serum. And then, after putting, the lip liner, naglalagay ako ng serum. And then, madalang ko itong magamit kasi this one is like a lip stain. Na yung lipstick. Hindi yung lipstick. Parang, ayan. Yan, ganun siya. This is a new one. I bought this nito lang week. This is buy one, take one. This is from Vice Cosmetics kasi I've been hearing a lot of recommendations from such influencers talking about Vice Cosmetics that it was so good. That's why pamili na din ako ng sa akin. Kasi nga, I'm planning to buy another detailed product for a blush. Diba? For a blush lang naman. And then, so, biglang nag-pop up, and then, so, okay, let's try. Muna yung detail, let's try this. Kasi buy one, take one, sayang naman. One is also from Watsons. Since it's from Watsons, wala pang bawas yung... May bawas na siya, pero konti lang. Kasi, hindi nahiyang yung face ko sa Maybelline na powder. And I haven't tried it again, nitong my skincare na ako, pero I don't like to. I'm still afraid, but still, I'm using the mirror kasi it's so good. Meron pa siyang sponge, which is this one. So it's from Fit Me, Maybelline New York. So we got here, I have here the O2, their lipstick. I got this because meron kaming isang subject which is food and beverage. And then, required kami na magkaroon ng red lipstick. I thought it was red, but then I found out na it was a little bit pinkish. But it's still good. Pero kasi, I don't know why nagka-crack siya kapag nagtagal ng gamit. Maybe I don't know how to... Hindi pa proper yung lip care ko. Kasi I love the packaging. It's so elegant. Yes. And then, I got the Yearly Concealer. The only concealer that I am hiyang with. And hindi ko pa siya balak palitan. Pero if magkita ako ng concealer pa, magta-try naman ako, open ako. But this is the Maybelline concealer, so this one is my first one, pero kasi hindi siya nagtugma sa shades ko, masyadong maputi. So I tried another shade, and ayun, pak, boom. On the eye, eye. This is the eye. What do you call this part of the face? Eyebrow. So for the eyebrow, this is a gel. So this is a free sample from Ken Bella. I'm so grateful kasi binigyan ako ng ganito. Kasi this is I got obsessed with this kasi kapag nilagay mo siya, so mga siguro 1 minute or 30 seconds lang, automatically ano na siya, stick na siya, magiging matigas yung ganito mo, and then may color din siya, hindi lang siya basta gel. So I really like this one. After putting this, naglalagay na ako ng ganito afterwards. That's the eyebrow pencil. Also I got here, I'm sorry guys, makalat. This is from BLK. And I really like this one because it gives like a glowing look. Pagkalagay mo pala, this is the first thing that you have to apply. And every makeup. Ito pala yung na-apply ko. I'm sorry, I'm not recommending. But for me, this is the first thing na na-apply ko. It's so good. I just really love this kasi ito pa lang talagang panalo na. Kintaban ka na talaga. So, after that, the thing that I'm putting myself, my face, is this one from YOU and not BD Simplicity. Kasi talaga nag-research ako, nag-search ako sa TikTok kung ano yung pinakamaganda na gamitin. Like, what could be ano yung pwedeng gamitin for me, ano yung pwedeng magiging for me, and ito na-recommend nila, which is from niya. Kasi may instant, na din daw siya, parang nutrients, parang sunscreen na din siya, root, ganyan. So, ayun, trinay ko maganda naman siya. And yeah, haven't tried any liquid foundation yet, just this one. And for me, that's a win-win na. And I have also this mascara from BLK. I like this because it's long-lasting. And ubusan ng stocks talaga. Also, I get the highlighter. This one from Says Lady. So, this one's good kasi ganun-ganun mo lang siya. And yeah. Also, andiyan na si Ote. Also, there's a BLK one. Kung meron kang mascara, you should also have this one. This is the mascara remover. It's like an oil, so you have to pop it. It's hard to open lang. Yan, ganyan siya. Mabilis siya makatang. And, yeah, the contour from Careline. Haven't used this for so long na din. But this one's good naman. Yeah. And, this is my mama's lipstick na kinuha ko, hiningi ko. Look, it's Shizu, but this one's a red one, a dark one, giving you a seductive vibe. And I got my curler here, Nichido, I don't know how to pronounce it, but this is from Death. And I got also here, what else? This is the OG lip tint one from Everbelena that I've been using for so long, and haven't tried to use it again, but this one is from someone. She let me buy this one, and yeah, it's so bango and it's so good. And the Vaseline lip care, before putting anything on my lips, I first apply this one for a soft one. Sorry, diba madali na ako kasi nandun si ate, nahiya na ako kasi papasok ko siya. And then the seasoning. This one's from Vaseline. Yeah? Oo, bakit? Are you okay? Yes.
Kalimutan ko.
And then, mas kumbaan.
May parang Koreanang ano dyan.
Wala lang.
Meron mo?
Magkano?
150. Or?
150? 50 isa?
Hindi.
Mahal na to eh.
38. Magkano yan?
50.
Punta.
Thank you. Wala, pwede pala itong maging eyebrow. Ay ko lang nalaman. This is from ZZ. This is a free sample. I like this one. Long-lasting din pala to guys. So, nag-drawing ako dyan. Yan, mahirap siyang tanggalin. That's why it's long-lasting. And this is from Careline. The first ever eyebrow pencil that I got. Bet ko siya kasi. Ayan. Ayan yung malit na part. Ubos na siya. Kaya I like this one. Kasi I get this. Kasi nabudol ako. Akala ko red siya. may pagka-violet siya na hindi maintindihan and I don't like it. Pero it's super stay daw. I like this. Pero dapat makunti lang lagay ko kasi I don't like sobrang dami. Para kang kumain ng ewan. So what's this? Maybelline. That's it. Bye. Love you.